And so we see now in verse 4, finally Yeshua gathered the apostles together, instructed them not to depart from Jerusalem. He said, wait for the promise of the Father concerning which you have already heard from me. And that's why in the last two sessions, I really went into detail, and I wanted to put you in the place of these sent ones, these apostles, to hear Yeshua's instructions and the very intense situation they found themselves in. And Yeshua is saying, don't worry, don't freak out. I'm going to send you another comforter. I'm going to go away, but I'm not going to leave you comfortless. I'm telling you this is going to happen, and when it does, that Spirit, that Holy Spirit that will be sent from the Father will be the Messiah in you. I will be in you. The Father was in me, and I am in the Father. I am going to be in you, and you in me. You're going to bring forth much fruit. I am going to communicate to you. I will bring all things to your remembrance. Everything I need you to know, I'm going to bring to your remembrance. So wait, just wait in Jerusalem. I've already told you about this. Remember, Yohanan, he mikvahed you with water, but you will be mikvahed with the Holy Spirit not many days from now. So if he'd been seen of them 40 days and now the ascension, this would give us the parameters of around 10 days from the ascension until the day of Shavuot. And so they don't have a long time to wait, but they go back into the city and they are literally lodging in an upper room, which we will find out could very well be the very one that they spent the time for the Last Supper and behind closed doors after the crucifixion, and no reason to really move from there. So now, being together for the last time, they asked him, Adonai, my Lord, is it at this time that you will restore Israel to the kingdom, or the kingdom to Israel? These tribes that have been scattered abroad, that the prophets say will be coming back in and will be united in living in the land, and the two sticks of Ephraim and Judah will come together. Is this the time that you're going to do this? Are you going to bring all Israel back into the land as is promised? This valley of dry bones, are you going to awaken them now? Is it all going to happen now? Yeshua said it's not for you to know the times or seasons which the Father reserves under his sole authority. But I'm telling you that you are going to receive lambano, manifest power. After that, the Holy Spirit comes upon you. You will be witness for me in Jerusalem and in all Judea and the Shomron, Samaria, and even under the uttermost parts of the earth. After he said these things, he was taken up, disappeared in the clouds as he watched, and while they gazed intently into the sky as he went up, two men in white apparel stood by them. These are obviously divine messengers. They look like men. Again, they have no wings. They don't sing. They're not playing harps or smoking cigars. They are men that are in white apparel. And they said, you men of Galilee, why are you standing here gazing up into heaven? This Yeshua, who is just taken up from you into heaven, shall return in the same way that you saw him go. Well, not exactly the same way. And when he comes back from heaven, returns from heaven with the angels, the messengers of his might, in flaming fire taking vengeance, at the last trump, it's going to be like lightning splitting the sky from the east to the west. No one's going to be able to miss this. And that is what it's talking about here. It's not that it's going to be, just a gradual taking off and just a handful. No, the whole world is going to see it. But he's going to see, just as you see him leave, he's going to come back.